In this video, we will go over the unboxing and assembly of the Buzzaround CarryOn by Golden Technologies. After opening the package, start by removing all of the packing materials and scooter. Start by raising the steering tiller by squeezing the yellow lever. Remove the charger box and your owner's manual. Next, we will need to install the main fuse. Remove this cover by unscrewing both cover screws. Pull the purple fuse out and install it into the correct spot. Reinstall your cover. And now we will raise your seat folding mechanism by pulling this black tab and raising the mechanism. Next, latch your seat into place by dropping the seat post down and push the seat down to allow the yellow seat latch to latch it into place. Next, to install the folding front basket, start by bolting in the basket mount bracket with rounded edge facing upward. Tighten down with the provided bolts and Allen wrench and slide your basket down into place. There is a holding latch on the bottom of the basket. Pull it down to unfold the basket. To install your cup holder, remove the provided bolts from the tiller post and install the bolts through the cup holder and tighten down. Put your key in the ignition and you are set to go. If you have any other questions regarding the unboxing or assembly of your Buzzaround CarryOn scooter, call AutoMobility store at 1-800-431-3183.